Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply magic brush to your photo in YouCam Perfect application. So first of all guys, I'm going to open up my YouCam Perfect application and I'm going to go to the photo edit menu since I want to edit my photo, and then choose the photo you want to edit. For instance, I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, and if you want to add magic brush to your photo, you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the magic brush option, this one. And here you will get some brush you can use to add magical touch to your photo. And for instance, I'm going to add this rainbow. I'm going to draw rainbow right here, and then you can also choose another type of the brush. I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to draw on my photo just like that. That's super easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can use magic brush in YouCam Perfect application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.